Yeah, baby! I'm the best Roblox player ever! Let's go! The empire is rising.
Blake, have you been here the entire day?
I'm building an empire, Ollie! I'm building a Roblox game!
Ha!
1 million players! My own game studio! That's the plan.
And your classes? What about those?
Oh, come on, bruh! Seriously? Classes for people without a plan.
Whew, that was tiring. 12 hours on site today.
And I did a double shift. My feet are so done.
This is almost enough for Blake's tuition next semester.
He'll be the first one in this family to get a degree. I'm so proud of our boy.
Lunch break. Haven't checked on the boy in a few days. I should probably call him.
Shoot! Hey, I just got out of lecture, Dad. How's it going?
Oh, I'm doing good. We're proud of you, son.
Well, look who crawled out of the dorm for once. What can I get you, bro?
Burger and fries. And extra napkins. You don't want to know what our room looks like.
Hey, they're hiring here, by the way. If you ever need extra cash, just tell me.
Me? I don't take orders, Ollie. I give them. Oh man, I only got 2 players. And one of them is literally my alt account. It's been 2 whole years, bro. Where is everybody? Bro, not now.
Mr. Blake, you have been absent for an entire year.
Sir, what did you expect? I'm a sloth. We only come down from our tree once a week. Not my problem. For real.
Bro, what if the Roblox thing doesn't work out? School's not the worst backup plan.
Bro, my game, Millionaire Boss Tycoon X, is literally built to go viral.
I don't know about that, man. I'm heading to work. Just think about what I said.
Yeah, keep sniffing fries and flipping patties. Real bright future you got there.
Honey, why don't we send Blake a little extra this month? I received a bonus.
That boy works so hard. He deserves it.
Let's go! Perfect timing. I've been needing that ultra premium developer asset bundle. Sorry, Mom. The Empire needs funding.
Bro, you're spending your parents' hard-earned money on Roblox?
Yo, mind your business. It's not your money. I've got 2 followers right now. But give it a year, I'm rich off this. Guaranteed.
Bro, I genuinely hope you're right.
Bruh, seriously? 4 years I've spent making these games and I only got 9 players? Why won't people play?
Huh?
The heck is this? Effective immediately? Disenrollment? They're actually kicking me out? Let me get some fries.
Bro, you all right? You look rough.
My Roblox game is a bust, Ollie, and I found a stupid letter in the mailbox.
Blake, real talk. Maybe it's time to think about going back to school instead.
I literally can't go back, bro. The dean already sent a letter. I've been disenrolled.
Wait, for real?
Empire, 1 million players.
Sorry, Blake. I gotta do this.
Breakfast is almost ready, hun.
Marlene, I just got a message from Blake's roommate.
Why do you look like that? What happened?
Read it.
Come on, someone just play the game.
Blake, we need to talk.
Dad, when did you...
Show me your grades, son.
It's not what it looks like.
4 years of nothing? What's wrong with you, Blake?
We worked so hard for you. We trusted you.
I'm still building an empire. I just needed more time, I swear.
You mean that Roblox game you've been making? Your roommate told us everything. 9 players, $0. This is what 4 years of our money paid for?
I'm sorry. I really thought it was gonna work.
4 years of double shifts. All of it just for you.
Maybe just give me a few more bucks and I'll fix it. I swear, I'll make it work.
Not anymore.
Hey, did you talk to your parents?
Yeah, they're pulling all financial support. I'm completely on my own now. Ollie, Is there any chance I can work at your restaurant? I gotta fix my life.
Now that's the spirit, bro. I got you.